student, today we are going to learn about parts of speech. Parts of speech. Words are divided into various parts or classes according to the function they do in a sentence. Each among them is called parts of speech. The parts of speech are 8 in number: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and the last is interjection. Is noun. A noun is the name of person, place, animal, things, human quality, experience, feeling. A noun is a word which is used as the name of anything. All naming words are noun. For example, Ram is a doctor, the cow is black, India is a great country, he comes from Allahabad, there is a pen on the table. In this sentence, all underlined words are noun. Now second is pronoun. Now definition of pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Pronoun उस शब्द को कहते हैं जो किसी नाउन के बदले में प्रयोग किया जाता है. They eliminate the need for repetition. For example, she is a doctor. He hurts himself. What is your name? This is my book. Adjective. An adjective is a word which qualifies the noun. An adjective is a qualifying word. An adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. For example, Madhuri is a beautiful girl. I want some sugar. She has 4 pens. I love such children. Ritu is learning her lesson. Verb. A verb is a word which denotes an action, state, or possessions. A verb is a word which says something about subject. It means all doing word is verb. For example, verb denoting actions: the horse runs. I read English. Verb denoting possession: I have a computer. They have a beautiful house. All underlined words are verb. Adverb. The word which qualifies, modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb is called an adverb. It may also add to meaning of an adjective or an adverb. For example, the children shouted loudly. He goes to Delhi daily. An aeroplane goes up. He is always late. He is very beautiful. And all underlined words are adverb. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in a sentence. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show in word relation the person or thing denoted by it stands in regard to something else. For example, he lives at Hapur. He lives in Mumbai. She will come in 2 days. He jumped into the river. He is sitting among the boys. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words, phrases, clauses, or sentences together. Main conjunctions: and, but, so, therefore, otherwise, yet, either, neither, because, so, that, till, until, when, as soon as, etc. For example, bread and butter is good breakfast. I invite him but he did not come. Either you come to me or send your son. You are poor, yet you are happy. Interjection. Words which are used to express some sudden feeling or emotion of human hearts are called interjection. Some words used to express emotional states. For example, hurrah, we have won the match. Bravo, you have passed. Alas, my cow is dead. Ah, the scene is pathetic.